Good day, everyone. My name is Ademosumaiwa Samuel, and today I'll be taking HTML. What is HTML? I'll be taking HTML and CSS. So what is HTML? HTML is an hypertext markup language. It's not a programming language. Some people they mix it up together. A markup language is different from a programming language. That's why if you know HTML doesn't mean you're a programmer. HTML is not a programming language, so you can't be called a programmer yet until you know a programming language. So markup they're for creating web page / documents, because all those web page there is a document XAMPP document. So HTML is very important. It's very important and relevant. You can't do without HTML. Even because there's some website that you can build without HTML, but without coding. But do you know that HTML is there? That just help you. They have helped you make it simple. So what is CSS? CSS is a cascading style sheet used for styling HTML content. It can be extended with SARS or less. Very soon we'll talk about this. I don't understand it now. So HTML is a content display, while CSS is a content styling. Don't forget, HTML is a content display and CSS is a content styling. CSS is just for styling, while HTML is just the content. Like I said, content display, while CSS is style / design. Both CSS and HTML, they are for web appearance. Then JavaScript is a dynamic front end and back end programming. You can both use it for both front end and back end. While Python, PHP, JavaScript is also written as JS, they are back end programming. Don't forget, I said JavaScript is both back end and front end. So MySQL and MongoDB. MongoDB is the Mongo database. All this, they are database. Then what can we do with CSS alone? HTML and CSS alone. With HTML and CSS alone, you can only build a static website, a portfolio, a template. You grab, you understand? The visual part of anything. Then elements, tag syntax. Elements are surrounded in angle brackets, which usually have a start and an end tag. Like this here, this is a starting tag and this is the end tag. This is a starting tag here also, and this is the end tag. So there are some elements, there are some tags that are self-closing tag. Let me look for a self-closing tag. Or don't just go there now. Comments. What are comments? Comment helps you to explain your code. Comment, it helps you to explain your code. Like a comment, it can be visible it can only be visible when you are coding, but it's not visible to the website. It won't be displayed on your website. Then meta tag, they contain the metadata. They contain the information, the data about your website, like your description, your keyword, the author, the viewport. They are all in the meta tag. When we get to the practical, you'll see it very soon in the next class. Then viewport is the visible area of the web page, the user's visible area of the web page. I think that's all we'll be looking for today, because I don't want the video to be long. So in the next video we'll talk more. Thank you.